Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good,
Good,
Miss.
Miss. What about you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Good,
Before,
Miss.
let's
I'm not
ask,
really good, Miss.
why, Keisha, are you sick? Fighting
Yes,
for
Miss.
you. Semoga cepat sembuh ya, get well soon. But, uh, are you
Yeah,
okay
Miss.
for join the class?
It's
Okay,
okay, Miss.
okay, thank you. So, let's all sprite together before we start the lesson. So,
Don't miss.
okay, students, before we start, let me check your attendance. Zadira Kesha Nurefani,
Yes, Miss.
okay. Wan Nasira Nasra,
Present, Miss.
okay. Aulia Ramadhani,
Yes, Miss.
okay. Ayu Fardani,
Here, Miss.
okay. So, the students all ready to listen. Before we start these lessons, what do you think about this picture if you see? What do you think and what you see in this picture?
Mouse and lion, Miss.
Animal, Miss. That is animal about mouse and
Yeah.
Mouse Mouse lion. and lion.
Okay, very good. Very good. So, have you ever hear our story about a lion and a mouse on maybe another story? Have you read, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great, great. Today,
No, Miss.
no, but no problem. These sessions, we are going to watching this video about the narrative. Okay, so we are going to learn narrative text through a story called "The Lion and the Mouse." But before that, I give you material right in class group. And have you ever to read this material, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so
Yes.
okay. I wanna explain a little. So, narrative text is a text that tell a story to entertain the reader or listener. So, the purpose is to tell a story and give a moral lesson. So, by the end of these lessons, students will be able to identify character, setting, and plot. And two, retell the story in 3-4 sentences. And the last, find the moral value of the story. So, I have a short video for you guys, and please watch the short video carefully. And while watching, try to pay attention to who are the character, where the story happens, and what happens in the beginning, middle, and end in the video. Okay, are you understand, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Please watching carefully.
The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion who ruled the forest. One day, after eating his meal, the lion fell asleep under a tree. The little mouse saw him and thought it would be fun to play on him. He began running up and down the sleeping lion. He ran up the tail and slid down the tail. The lion woke up angrily with a loud roar. He grabbed the mouse with his huge paw. The mouse struggled but could not escape. The lion opened his big jaws to swallow him. The mouse was very scared.
Oh, King, I'm very scared. Please don't eat me. Forgive me this time. Please let me go. I shall never forget it. Maybe one day I can help you.
The lion was so amused by the idea of the mouse being able to help him that he lifted up his paw and let him go.
Thank you, King. I will never forget your kindness.
You are lucky, my friend, that I've just eaten. Now go, but don't mess with me again, or I will make a meal of you. A few days later, the lion was roaming the jungle. Hunters set a trap to catch the lion. The hunters hid behind the tree, waiting for the lion to approach the trap. As he did, the hunters pulled the ropes and caught him in the net. The lion started to roar loudly and tried to escape, but the hunters fastened the net. They went back to the village to bring a cart to transport the lion. The lion was still roaring loudly. All the animals, including the mouse, heard the roar.
The king is in trouble. I must return the favor.
He soon reached the lion.
Don't worry, my king. I will set you free.
He climbed up the trap and used his sharp little teeth to bite through the ropes. Finally, he freed the lion from the trap. The lion realized that even a little mouse can be a great help. Thank you, Mouse. I will never trouble you again. Live happily in my forest. You saved a king's life. Now you are the prince of this forest.
Thank you, King. Bye. See you soon.
Oh, where are you going?
Okay, guys. Have you done? Hello? What do you think about that video? This video is fun or what? It's good?
Yeah, it's fun, me. It's fun.
Okay. After that, I have a worksheet for you guys. But before that, the story you just watched is called a fable, type of a narrative. Do you know what a fable is?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what is Ayurvardani?
I think a fable is a story that talks about an animal. Like the animal is alive and can talk like a human.
Good job. Give applause. Is correctly. So, do you still remember the story, the video, guys? I have a worksheet for you. Okay. But before that, I wanna explain the structure, text narrative, maybe the explaining a little. So, orientations, introductions of a character and setting in the beginning, and complication, a problem in the story. and solution to the problem, and the last is a moral value. Okay, so maybe you understand what the structure text narrative, guys, because I put it in the learning materials and you
Yeah,
are
Miss,
ready
but
to
uh,
read it.
Miss, what is the moral value?
So, the moral value is pesan yang terkandung dalam sebuah cerita. Pesan moral yang bisa kita ambil dari cerita itu. Are you understand?
Yes, Miss, understood.
I see,
Okay.
Miss.
So, this a worksheet. Now, please answer these questions. Watch the video of Fable, the Lion, and the Mouse carefully. Answer the question below individually. So I give you 50 minutes to answer this question. And maybe you can start now. If you want to ask in something, just raise your hand, okay? Time is up. Now, please discuss your answer with your partner. Rewind the story into orientations, complications, and resolutions. So, I give you 50 minutes. But before that, I wanna saya bagi dulu kelompoknya ya. Grup 1 itu ada Ayu Fardani, Aulia Ramadhani. Grup 2 itu ada Wana Sira Nasra, Zadira Kesha Nurefani, Sinta Maharani. Okay.
Yeah, Miss.
I give you 50 minutes. Please discuss. Okay, time is up. So now times to start. So start your worksheet with in front of class. Just one students in the group. Okay? Voice first.
Ayu Fardani.
Okay, Ayu Fardani. Please.
Wait, Miss. Wait, Miss. Okay, the answer is for the question number 1, who is the character of the story? Our answer is the lion, the mouse, and the hunter. And the second question is, where is the setting of the story? We answer is the forest, in the forest. And for the question number 3, what happened in the beginning of the story? Our result of discussion, the lion being disturbed by the mouse, and the fourth, what happened at the middle of the story. The lion get trapped by the hunter, and the last is what happened at the ending of the story. What is the ending of the story? The mouse and the lion become a friends in the forest. I think that's all, Miss.
Very good. Awesome. Beri applause untuk temannya. Okay? So guys, maybe are you understand about this lesson today, right? Okay. Before
Yes,
we
Miss.
ending, I have quizzes for you guys. You can scan barcode from your phone and answer the quizzes. Okay? Are you understand, guys?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. I give you maybe 10 minutes for answer the quizzes. Okay? Sudah? Have you done? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Sure, Miss.
Okay? Done? Have you done, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now, let us review together. So, in this lessons, what are the parts of a narrative text you know? Zadira Kesha, please.
The part of narrative text is orientation, complication, and resolution.
Great, awesome. Give applause. So, parts of a narrative text is orientations, complication, and resolution. Give applause. His answer is correctly. So next, what new things did we learn today? Maybe Aulia Ramadhani, please.
Yes, Miss.
What
So,
you learned?
my answer is narrative text, moral value, and telling a story.
Great job, awesome. His
Thank
answer
you,
is
Miss.
correctly. So
Thank you.
I wanna ask, and the last, what is the moral value from the story? The lion and the mouse. Who is one answer? Raise your hand. Okay. Are you Fardani? Please. What is the moral value from the story? The lion and
Don't
the
judge.
mouse.
Don't judge something by the size, because misalnya Miss, memang ukurannya tikus itu lebih kecil daripada the lion, tapi kebaikan hatinya itu jauh lebih besar untuk menyelamatkan temannya dari the trap of the hunter.
Quickly, awesome and very good. So, thanks Ayu Fardani. So, the moral value from this video is even small kindness can be very meaningful. So, your answer is good. And guys, maybe you understand this lesson what we learned. So for your homework, please find one fable from the internet or a book, and we will discuss it in the next meeting. And thank you for participation today. You did a great job. Let us close lesson by praying together. Okay, thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank
See
you.
you next week.